YouTube? It's me again. Got myself a fancy new toy in the mail. I call it my birthday present, even though it's not my birthday. Picked up this bad boy. It's a Klutch Planishing hammer. You can't really see me, all I see is my eyes. I'm gonna open the box and basically let everybody know what the hell's in it and do an unboxing. I got it on sale on Amazon. I only need a small one, I don't need a big one. I'm not a professional body hammer person, so, or body, I don't know, body work, metal worker, amateur, who owns a lot of non-amateur tools. So I'm gonna open it up and let everybody see what's in it. So here goes nothing. Let me just adjust the camera here. There we go. Let's see. The unboxing. It's like a cake. Cool. Got manual for everybody. Comes with a. Let's take this out of the box here. This is the foot pedal, thingable bobber. Where's my knife stuck to my arm? Seems like it's partially assembled. Oh, that's neat. Take this out of the hole. This is really cool. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, my camera falling off the bench. But yeah, look. Got it wrapped in plastic. All fancy new. Just the hammer's not inside here. Guess I gotta fill the top with the inside with sand. Looks pretty cool. As expected, the welding isn't very high tech on this. I probably should just use a knife for this damn thing. But here, let me spare the grief on that one. It's me again, unboxing my new planishing hammer. It's a Klutch planishing hammer. I don't know if it says Klutch on it, but if you look at it, there's some, I don't know. I don't think they got too much penetration on these welds. It's not perfect, but you know, a little bit of re-engineering. It's got the hole for the sand to put in. This doesn't look, yeah. I'm no expert, but hey, from what I know, I think, what do you call it? Somebody with a little more experience could do a better job in welding this thing. It's pretty solid though. It has the fancy words Klutch on it. It's the hammer's not in there, just pieces in there. The little base. I should clamp it down. I'll pause and I'll clamp it to my desk here. Alright, YouTube. This piece here, what do you call it, came assembled with just this and the pin in it. I'm not sure what this is yet. I haven't even really assembled it, but I'm guessing the pin comes out. This is to adjust the height somehow. That just mildly goes up and down. Yeah, also in the box here, the hammer is in the box with this little tiny air hammer attached to a big black hose, of course. Black hose is then attached to a foot pedal. Seems like your standard run-of-the-mill El Cheapo $17 foot pedal with a decent little guard on it. The planishing dies that it came with. Let's see. I'll move this out of the way. That out of the way. I'll show you what it came with. Pretty short. It's pretty sloppy. Hold on. There you go. Hello YouTube again. This is what came in the bag. Couple of mini dies, the top die to hold on, and that's pretty much it. Seems pretty basic. Seems like I could probably make some dies using hammers, little heads of old brand new hammers. cut them off, put them on my lathe, and just make some pieces to go in here. So it all seems pretty cool for a small little planishing hammer. I'm not expecting giant planishing hammers. It doesn't. They look kind of cheap. Look cheaply plated. They don't look. I mean, like they're not even polished very well. But hey, you get what you pay for, right? So anyway, that is the Klutch. I will make another video trying it out. Anyway, I hope you like this pretty sad unboxing. The box, so I have to admit, it's packaged pretty good. It's in the box. It wasn't expensive. It's probably the same one as a Harbor Freight one. At least it gives me an idea of where to start if I build another one. Or I could just basically, if you look here, at least if I, what do you call it, build another one, I know where to start by lopping things off. I know what to expect and what not to expect. So yeah, I think this goes in there somewhere, somehow. Watch, it probably not even fit in here. So yeah, something like that. Anyway, I'll add another video soon of me using it and showing people I really don't know how to use it. Enjoy. Hope you liked the video, and cool. Like and subscribe.